Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. We're in TimberCrest 480, and the fireplace here is basically a manual system. I want to make sure that the pilot is actually lit. Now, if you do need to light the pilot, you're going to basically go through and then put the system into position to turn the pilot on. Push this in, you'll have to manually light where you can see the flame, and you're going to have to hold and depress this knob for probably about a minute for the coupler to open up, and then you can put it into the on position. Now we're going to turn counterclockwise, and that gets the system going. As you can see, it's active. And then just to turn it back down, I turn it here, and if you need to turn it off for whatever reason, you would push in and turn counterclockwise, and that goes into the off position. You can see where the off is, and then you got the arrow. So if you have any further questions using the fireplace while you're staying at TimberCrest 480, you can reach out to us. Number is 208-634-0030. Cheers.